It's Dirt Bike Training Sunday. Here comes Brandon on his race bike. He is getting so good. He can keep up with me already. They don't even need to wear helmets already. They're so good. This track behind my house is turning out to be a real gem, I tell you. I can see them when they're teenagers. Here comes Zach the other way. I got one going one way so they learn how traffic works. Pull over to the right side. Here comes Zach on his little 50. This might be my best creation yet, right back here. This dirt bike track. Look at this sanctuary back here. Look how peaceful and beautiful. Oh, except for the Kawasaki sign right there. Gotta love it. Dirt bike training at your house. I can hear Brandon over there jamming around the turn. Here he comes. Hope everybody had a good weekend. It's Sunday, fun day. Back to school tomorrow. School's almost over. See you guys on the next video.